morning, my dear children. Today we are going to study social study, and this is our 8th lecture. And what we learn about? We have learned about the northern and the coastal plains. That is the 3rd chapter of class 4. So now we will continue our next topic. So first, let's take a quick recap. Quick revise of about the coastal plains. Okay, the coastal plains, that is they divide in the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains, it is further divided into how many parts? That is the 3 parts. First is the Gujarat coast, second is the Konkan coast, and the third one is the Malabar coast. And the eastern coastal plains, it divided into how many parts? Yes, it is divided into the 2 parts, that is the northern part and the southern part. The northern part, that is called the Sipkas, and the southern part, that is called the Coromandel coast. And these coastal plains meet at the Kanyakumari. At which place? That is the Kanyakumari. This is the southernmost tip, not including the island. They touch the mainland. So these coastal plains, they meet at Kanyakumari. And there are some part of these states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Here some parts of these states are found in that coastal plains. Okay. So, and what are the main occupation of people? That is the fishing and farming. The main occupation of the people, that is the fishing and farming, are the main occupation of people that are living these coastal plains. Okay. So what are the main occupation? That is the fishing and farming. And what are the important crops that are grown in this region? That is the rice and coconut. Okay. So now we learn about what we have learned previously. Previously we have learned about Gujarat, about Goa, okay, and about Kerala. So what is the special Gujarat is? What is the speciality of Gujarat? That is the Ras Garba is the popular folk dance of Gujarat. And what is other people engaged in? Trading, farming and salt making. They making salt for the sea water. And there are many textile industries and oil refineries are found in which state? That is the Gujarat. And Gujarat is the center of diamond cutting. The diamond cutting center is in where? In Gujarat. And most people speak Gujarati. Okay, but most people speak Gujarati. And people grow like jowar, bajra, sugarcane, cotton. These are here the main crops that are grown in this Gujarat. And the second one is about the Goa. What do you learn about the Goa? Yes, Goa is famous for cashew nuts and mangoes. And what are the famous dishes of Goa? That is Vindaloo and Zacuti. And there are the large deposits of iron ore and manganese ore are found in which state? That is the Goa. And people of Goa, they speak Konkani. So Konkani is the language, Konkani is the language attraction, that is Saint Xavier Church, Fort Aquada, and Dubsagar Falls, and some beaches that are found in this Goa. These are the places of the tourist attraction. Then what we learn about the Kerala, and Kerala is famous for which crops are very important in Kerala, that is the rice, coconut, rubber, tea, coffee and spices that are grown in Kerala. And coir is making from the coconut fiber, and coir making is an important industry in Kerala. People make many things from this coir, that is called the ropes and mats. Okay, and which are the classical dance of the Kerala, that is the Kathakali and Mohini Attam. And the people of Kerala, they speak the Malayalam. People of Kerala, they speak Malayalam. Now we will continue our next state, that is the Tamil Nadu. What we learn about the Tamil Nadu? So some part of Tamil Nadu that is found in which region? That is found in the coast, in these coastal plains. So tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of Nilgiri hills. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. People are fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. And Bharatnatyam is the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. And Tamil is the main language. Pongal is an important festival. Okay, which festival people celebrate? So, which is the important festival? That is the Pongal. And the people of the Tamil Nadu, they speak which language? That is Tamil. Tamil is the main language, and which is the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. What is? That is the Bharatnatyam. And people of Tamil Nadu, they are fond of which dishes like the idli, dosa, upma, sambar. Okay, and which states are the main centers of silk weaving? That is the Kanchipuram and Madurai. And which are the crops that are grown in that region? That is the tea and coffee. Now, Tamil Nadu. So, it is famous for tea, coffee, and silk weaving. Now, the second one is Tamil is the main language and the third one is Pongal is an important festival Now, which dance? That is the Bharatnatyam. that is the folk dance, that is the folk, popular dance. Okay. Now, Tamil Nadu, it is famous for tea, coffee and silk weaving. And Tamil is the main language. People of Tamil Nadu, they speak what language? That is the Tamil. And third one is Pongal is an important festival. People of Tamil Nadu, they celebrate which is an important festival, that is the Pongal. And Bharatnatyam is the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. So, what do you learn about the Tamil Nadu? That is, it is famous for tea, coffee and silk weaving. And which are the centers of there are the main centers of silk weaving. That is the Kanchipuram and Madurai. These are the main centers of the silk weaving. And people of Tamil Nadu, they speak Tamil language. What language? That is Tamil language. And Pongal is an important festival. Okay. So, what festival is important in Tamil Nadu? That is the Pongal. And Bharatnatyam, which is the dance form, which is the popular dance form in Tamil Nadu. That is the Bharatnatyam, is the popular dance in Tamil Nadu. And people are fond of these dishes. That is, yes, people are fond of idli. You also like this? Idli and dosa, upma and sambar. So, people are fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. Okay? Now, our next topic is what? That is about the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. So now Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondappally toys and Kalamkari work. Mica and limestone are found here. Kuchipudi is popular dance and Visakhapatnam is an important seaport. Okay, so which is the popular dance form? That is the Kuchipudi. Is famous in where? In Andhra Pradesh, and it is famous for Kondappally toys. It is famous for Kondappally toys. That is these toys. Okay, this toy is made up of wood. Okay, this toy is made up of wood. This is the wooden painted toy. Now, Andhra Pradesh, it is famous for Kondappally toys and Kalamkari work. second, mica and limestone are found here, and third, dance form Kuchipudi, that is the popular dance, and Visakhapatnam is an important seaport, that is the Visakhapatnam. Is an important seaport. So Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondappally toys. These toys, this is the wooden painted toys. What is this? This is the wooden painted toys. This toy is made up of wood, and what it done? It is painted. This wood will be painted. So this Kondappally toys. This is wooden painted toys that are famous in Andhra Pradesh. And Kalamkari work. This is the ancient type of. This is the. What is this? That is the in ancient type of hand printing or the block printing, that is the Kalamkari work. Ancient type of printing work, that is the Kalamkari work. And which are found here, that is mica and limestone. And which is a popular dance that are famous in Andhra Pradesh, that is Kuchipudi. And what is the important seaport? That is the Visakhapatnam. It is used for export and import things. So, what do you know about the Andhra Pradesh? So, Andhra Pradesh, it is famous for what? Kondappally toys. Kondappally toys means this toy that is made up of wood, like a wooden printed toy, that is Kondappally toys. Now Kalamkari work, it is the what which is? It is the ancient style of hand printing and the block printing, that is the Kalamkari work. And which are found in that Andhra Pradesh, that is the mica and the limestone. And which is popular dance that are famous in Andhra Pradesh, that is Kuchipudi. And which is an important seaport, that is the Visakhapatnam. Now our next topic is Odisha. Now Odisha is famous for its textile, silverwork and handicraft items. Coal, iron ore and manganese deposit are also found here. Cuttack and Rourkela are industrial cities. Odissi is a popular dance. Most people speak Odia. The Rath Yatra is a popular festival. The Chilika Lake, with its bird sanctuary, attracts many tourists. So, what are the speciality of which state? That is the Odisha. That is, it is famous for silver work, and handicrafts. Now the second one, coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are found here. Third is Cuttack, Rourkela are important industrial area. Are important industrial area. And the fourth one is Odissi, famous dance and festival, famous festival, that is the Rath Yatra festival. And Chilika Lake, tourist attraction place, famous. Now what do you learn about Odisha? That is, it is famous for textile, silver work and handicrafts, and coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are found here. These are found here in Odisha. And the third one, that is the Cuttack and Rourkela are important industrial area. And Odissi is the famous dance form of Odisha, and which is the famous festival, that is the Rath Yatra, and Chilika Lake is the famous tourist attraction place. Okay, what do you learn about the Odisha? That is, it is famous for textile and silver work and handicraft, and which is the important festival in Odisha, that is the Rath Yatra, and which is the famous dance form of Odisha, that is Odissi. And coal, iron ore and manganese ore, these deposits are found here in Odisha, and which is the place of tourist attraction, that is the Chilika Lake. Now dear children, see in page number 29, see this is the Rath Yatra or the chariot festival is held in Puri. Now this is the Kathakali dance form, Bharatnatyam dance form and Kuchipudi. Kathakali, that is the classical dance of the Kerala. Bharatnatyam, that is the dance form in popular dance form in Tamil Nadu, and Kuchipudi, it is the popular dance in Andhra Pradesh. Okay children, so quick recap. The northern plains extend from Punjab to Assam. They comprise the fertile river basin of Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Now Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam lie in the northern plains. And farming is the main occupation of the people that are living in these northern plains. The western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains are found along the western and the eastern coasts of India respectively. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal share the coastline of India. Farming and fishing are the main occupation of the people that living in their coastal region. So my dear children, you have to watch this video 2 times. This is your homework. Now children, we will meet in our